Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to upload a new resume on ZipRecruiter. So if you've created a more recent version of your resume, then just follow along. First, sign into your ZipRecruiter account, then go to your profile or resume section. From there, select the option to upload resume or add a resume. Then choose the updated resume file from your computer or your phone. Now wait for the upload to finish and review the information that ZipRecruiter imports from your resume. And you can make any corrections if needed. And after that, save your changes. Your new resume will now be available when applying for future jobs through ZipRecruiter. So that was how to upload a new resume on ZipRecruiter. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.